Hi and warm welcome to another wonderful video of the Credit Card Life. My name is Amit. With the help of this video, I'm going to talk about the list of 6 different wallets where American Express has had some transactions in past, and some of the transactions are still going under MX2 wallet upload saga. Now, let me clarify a few important points before I start giving you the facts and information. Majority of the American Express cards are barred on most of the wallets, but there is one specific wallet where Amex is still able to do the transaction done with the help of multiple credit cards. Let's first begin the story of wallet number 1. Now, the wallet number 1 is Paytm wallet, which is my preferred, and this is one of the important wallets which I have used primarily for American Express. And mind you all, be it transactions of let's say 5k or even 7k or even at times to meet my milestones, even 15k wallet transactions have always been done primarily with Paytm wallet. And I have observed that if you have done transaction, let's say up to 15k in a particular day, then the wallet is fine. But whenever you did more than 15,000, it used to get blocked, and then you had to do certain shopping via Reliance and some other option, and then again it used to be restored. So this has been a very fine experience of mine, especially if I wanted to fetch some milestones with the help of wallet, or if I'm stuck or driving somewhere and my American Express cards are not happening. So this has been a go-to wallet for me. Unfortunately, it got banned, and post to which there were a lot of tantrums of wallet upload. So the first and foremost is Paytm wallet not happening. Number 2 is a very popular wallet called MobiKwik. I would like to let you all know that MobiKwik has been renowned as a brand certified partner for American Express for various reasons, and they were the ones who allowed a lot of credit card to wallet transaction with certain amount of fees. But the same wallet transaction has also been barred post March 2026, and nowadays, as per the information I have and the latest information I have from some of the forces, it means that they are reuniting in some time after some integral discussion or internal documentation which MobiKwik is trying to do within American Express. So stay tuned, you might get MobiKwik very soon with wallet upload option. Number 3, which is a very popular but not really popular with so-called American Express, Phone Pay wallet. People say that still there are certain transactions on Phone Pay wallet which you can do with the help of Amex cards, but this is one heck of an account wherein Amex hasn't had a lot of consistency. So in case if you want to check with a minimalistic transaction of wallet upload on Phone Pay, you can give it a go with 10 rupees, 15 rupees or 100 rupees to check if it's really uploading under Phone Pay wallet. Mind you all, it is absolutely inconsistent and you may not be successful, even though people say there are certain cases where people have approved and got done with the help of QR code as well. So that's available still under Phone Pay wallet. See if you're able to get lucky. Mine was unsuccessful. Let's talk about the 2 most important part, and the last one is a secret. So Payzap wallet has never ever accepted any kind of download or wallet transaction from American Express. God knows why. Maybe they wanted to have monopoly for let's say Infinia and HDFC Bank credit cards, but Amex has never been entertained on a platform called Payzap wallet from the day 1 of American Express launch. Let's move on. The 5th part and the 6th one is a big secret. So for the 5th one is known as the Amazon Pay wallet. Mind you all, Amazon Pay wallet has never allowed to upload any transaction from American Express, barring you shop their vouchers and stuff with the help of a normal transaction rules. So Amex has never had success with Amazon, and the same saga goes for so-called Payzap, which in my book is absolutely no. Let's come back to the last wallet wherein transactions have happened in the past multiple times, and mind you all, I strictly ask all of my subscribers never ever to go. I want to tell you a story of one of my subscribers who subscribed, got Amex credit card, and he had done a transaction on housing application of almost 50,000-60,000, and trust me, within a month his entire portfolio got blocked. So housing.com is also one of those exceptional situations of wallet upload which used to be, now it's barred again, wherein if you have ever used it and used it quite widely, there are chances of you getting blocked on housing.com. That's all I have for you in this wonderful video. If you have any questions, write it to me. If you're looking for any information on MR points of 12K and even let's say 25K and 35K, the link for those credit cards are there in description. And do remember, it's only valid till 17th of August 2026. We have a good one.